everyone, Sir Nick Justice here for a Batman statue collector guest review. I have my Batman here. Let's open it in 3, 2, 1. Boom! Like magic, it's out of the box. So you can see Batman is posed here, the statue itself. And as I slowly turn this around, you'll see Gotham in the background with those floating blimps you always see in the animated series opening. You also see the bat emblems shining in the sky, calling out to Batman. That's probably why he's ready to leap at a moment's notice with that flowy cape in the background. So let's go ahead and get that opened. After opening box, here is the contents of the inside here. Definitely notating that in case I ever need to pack them up to move. Moving on to the base, you'll go ahead and see that you have 3 types of flooring going on here. You have the Amadeus tombstone, another tombstone which has 2 like a mother-daughter looking piece, and then like a brick wall, all kind of like shattered down. First impressions of the piece that goes right after the bottom layer there is going to be the body. I tell you what, that thing was heavy. That's going to be the heaviest entire piece that goes into this premium format. And then adding on the exclusive hand pieces with the batarangs, I went ahead and got those attached. Kind of keep note because the hands kind of blend in left and right, so it's just a matter of matching the pieces to which one goes where. And then boom, with the cape, that was the look I was going for. So that took about 30 minutes, and then it was really tricky. I kind of got nervous with the head piece, the head sculpt that goes right on top of the cape, because it is a really strong magnet, but it also is, it doesn't exactly like fit right inside all the way down because of the cape itself. Let's show off this piece. So one of the first things you'll notice with the Batman statue is that there is just so much detail going on in his bodysuit itself. It's almost like Kevlar attached to some sort of military grade fabric. And then you have all these tiny little trinkets and dots of screws going on into like the gauntlets, the boots, and the shins and stuff like that. So overall, it's just, you have this piece that is, honestly, I'd say like the classic style Batman kind of mixed with like Arkham. And with the contrast in colors with that base of the cemetery setting, each piece stands out in its own color. And you even have the brown, the mud that's on the bottom of the shoes as well as on the bottom of the cape along the brim there. And it really is, I think, a powerful stance to see him just ready to either punch or jump, kick. You can't even tell what he's about to do, but he just has so much tactical detail to this sculpt that it's honestly the main reason why I totally got it. And there's a couple of different poses that you can do. You could do the one batarang, one hand grasp, the punch with the hand grasp, and of course the punch and other batarang. So each one kind of has its own effect. Just look at the detail on that emblem. You can definitely tell he's been through some stuff with, who knows, Joker, Clayface, who knows who he's fighting, but I wouldn't want to be on the receiving end. Thanks for checking out my guest review. Be sure to check out my channel, Sir Nick Justice, for more videos, content, articles, and cosplay tips. Thanks and have a wonderful day, guys.